Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So in today's makeup look, I wanted to do like a St. Patrick's Day theme with the green eyeshadow. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, so for this tutorial, I want to do a St. Patrick's Day makeup look. I normally don't ever do any green eyeshadow. I couldn't really even find green eyeshadow, so I'm going to use what I have. Of course, I'm not Irish whatsoever. I'm 100% black, no Irish, so I'm just doing this for fun. It's St. Patrick's Day, so I just wanted to do this makeup look. So I already have my eyebrows on, I already have my eyelids primed, so let's go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow. To start off, I'm going to be taking this Morphe palette. This is the Morphe 350M, and it's just a bunch of mattes, browns. I feel like everyone should have a palette like this in their makeup collection. So I'm going to be taking this Alamar brush. It looks like this. I haven't used this before as my to blend for my transition. So I'm going to start off using, this shade right here. It's like this orangey shade. I'm going to use this as my transition. Let's see how this brush applies. It's very soft. I'm not sure if it's good for transition. I feel like it's not really blending like I want it to. I'm going to be bringing the shadow up pretty high, close to my brow bone. I'm also going to be taking it out. I think I'm going to do like a smoky green. Actually, like I said, the green that I have is more like a gold green. I don't have just green eyeshadow, so I'm going to try to make this work. But I do know that I want to do something smoky. Okay, this brush, I cannot. Let me switch over to something else. Alright, I'm going to take my Morphe M330 to apply the shadow. Using the same brush, I'm going to be dipping into a brown shade. I'm going to be taking this shade right here. Let's take this brown right here. And I'm going to be applying that right on top. So I'm going to take the black eyeshadow out of the Nightingale palette by Pretty Vulgar. The shade is called All Nighter. It's just a matte black. And I'm going to be applying that on the outer portion of my eye. And to apply that shade, I'm going to be taking this Morphe E17 brush. Just going to go ahead and dip. And I'm just going to pat that right on the outer corner. I'm not going to drag this into my crease. I'm just going to be leaving it on the outer portion of my eye. And then I'm going to take this black shade and I'm just going to blend it out. Not blend it in. I don't want to go this way. I'm just going to be blending it out. Am I looking a little bit cray-cray? Maybe, but trust the process, it's all going to come together. Okay, so next, I think I'm going to do, do I want to do a cut crease? I guess it's not necessarily a cut crease, but I am going to be taking my MAC Mix and Medium liner. I'm going to be using this as my base for the shadow that I'm going to put on top because I do not want this shadow to move at all. So this is a really good base to use, especially if you have hooded eyes, so that any kind of shimmer, glitter, it does not move. It will stay exactly where you place it. And to apply this, I'm going to be taking this small flat brush. And it's very important that when you're applying this, that you look down. You do not want to look up because the color is just going to transfer. and that just defeats the whole purpose. Not the color, I'm sorry, the product will just transfer it to your crease, and then wherever you put that glitter or shimmer shade is going to stick there. So I'm looking down so that I can dry just a tad bit. So I'm going to be taking the Pure Masquerade palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade right here. It's called Mask Off. I guess, like I said, it's like this greenish goldish shade. I'm going to be applying that on my lid, taking the same brush. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that E17 brush, and I'm going to take the black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to deepen this outer corner. And I also wanted to blend into the green shade. I want the two colors to kind of overlap so that it looks nice and blended. Now I'm going to go back in with the green and just, like I said, make sure it overlaps. Alright, so this is it for the eyes. Let's go ahead and move on to the face. So since I normally always use the same products for the face, I'm going to really fast forward this part. I don't know if you guys enjoy watching me do the same old thing, putting on my foundation, my concealer, contour, all that. I'm going to just fast forward. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys enjoy when I show you guys the products that I'm using to put on my face. Like I said, I use the same things over and over again, so I don't think that you guys will really care. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my face. I'm not going to say what I'm using. I will leave the products down below in the description box if you're interested. So yeah, I will see you back when it's time to do my lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to go back and do my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking this black gel eyeliner. This is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I don't think the name brand really matters. As long as you got a black eyeliner, it should be fine. I take it back when I said the brand doesn't really matter, because I think this one kind of sucks. Let's see. Yeah, this is not really a good eyeliner. It's very dry. I'm gonna move on to my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. And I hope that I don't irritate my eyes doing this. Using this angle brush, I'm going to apply some gel eyeliner on my lower lash line. So now that I have this eyeliner under my lower lash line, hold on, my eyes is about to start watering. Okay, I think I'm good. I'm going to go ahead and apply this black liner on top as well. I'm going to be taking this small bullet brush and I'm going to dip back into the green shade, and I'm going to be applying that under my lower lash line as well. Just right in the front. I hate when I lose a brush that I literally just had in my hand. Oh, and it'd be right in my face. So going back in with the angled brush, I'm going to dip back into the black shade, and I'm just going to apply that where I have the black eyeliner just to set it in place. I'm just going to basically just press it on. Going in with another bullet brush. I'm going to take this Morphe E36 brush. I'm going to go back into the brown shade that we use as my transition. And I'm going to be applying that under my lower lash line as well. So I'm going to be taking, actually I'm going to take this brown right here and apply that under my lower lash line. I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lashes. Actually, before I do that, let me go ahead and set my face. I'm using the Maybelline Master Fix Setting Spray. I guess while my lashes are dry, I'm going to go ahead and put on a highlighter. I don't know if you guys can tell, but lately I've been back in the highlighter mood. I think I'm going to be using, I'm going to use this shade right here. This is my Masquerade palette. Actually, I'm going to mix these two together, and this is going to be my highlight. The key to lashes is people want to put glue on the lash and they want to immediately put it on. That's not how it works. You have to let your glue dry down. You want it to get tacky. Otherwise, if you put the glue on as soon as you put on, if you put the lash on as soon as you put the glue on it, it's going to slip and slide. It's not going to stick, and that's how you just have a whole mess. Be patient, let the glue dry so that it's tacky. That way you can put it on and you can maneuver it as you need to without it sliding all over the place. For lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with the Jante Blue lip liner. I'm going to be taking this Gerard Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ice Mocha. Okay guys, so this is it for this makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I said it once, I'm going to say it again. If you do not have a YouTube account, go ahead and make one. It takes less than a minute so that you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also comment down below. So thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will see you in the next one.